All right, so here it is without the crosses. I'll redo the rhinestones that are there. I used a tool that looks like this. It's called an opener, and you just kind of stick it right in here. And as long as you have a good hold on it, it'll work. My hands are a little sweaty, so it's not doing the best. It does feel a little wrong. There you go. Hopefully you can see that start to give. And then the silver piece comes down. And then, at least on the version 2, I don't know if this is the same for the version 1, but you can just take the handle off. And then you put everything into the dome through there, and you put it together exactly the reverse way that you had taken it apart. Like that. This goes back on as long as the center is where that gap is and the smooth edges are at either side. That's all you need. It goes all the way back up. It should be flush up against the plastic. It doesn't work one way. Flip it around. Try the other. Like that. There you go. And then the cross goes back on version 2, just like so. It's held on right here. Hopefully it's the same for the version 1. Otherwise, a little bit of glue can probably fix that once you're happy with it. And that's how you get into and out of the version 2.